My name is Samanta Cubias. I also go by Sammy, and I'm originally from the San Fernando Valley in California. I worked in nonprofit regional theater for 5 years before coming out to Yale. I think I had this idea of when I first got into business school that I would be taught business in a very specific way, or that, maybe I would just be taking a bunch of finance classes or something like that. Here at SOM, you're learning all different kinds of management. You're not just learning how to be one kind of manager. You're learning from your peers as much as you're learning from your professors or from the staff here. I'm one of the co-chairs for Students for Racial Equity. It's brought together like-minded students within the School of Management who are dedicated to making both our school and our future workplaces more inclusive spaces. When I first got into SOM, I immediately felt like my world expanded in that moment. And it's just continued to expand over the course of my 2 years here. It's been great.